Hello and welcome to our latest video, where we will be showcasing the top 5 best USB small desk fans for the year 2023. With the rising temperatures and humidity levels, it's important to have a reliable desk fan to keep you cool and comfortable while you work or study. In this video, we will be reviewing the top 5 best USB small desk fans on the market, based on their performance, durability, and affordability. Whether you're looking for a fan to keep you cool at work or to use in your home office, we've got you covered. So without further ado, let's dive into our list of the best USB small desk fans for 2023. Number 5. Bajaj Pygmy Mini USB Charging Personal Fan. Bajaj Pygmy Mini 110mm 10W High-Speed Operation, USB Charging, Multi-Clip Function Personal Fan is a great fan for personal use. It has a high-speed 10W motor that ensures efficient cooling. The USB charging feature ensures you can use the fan even when you are on the go. The multi-clip function allows you to attach it to multiple surfaces for convenience and portability. The rechargeable table fan is compact enough to be carried around easily and is perfect for personal cooling. Number 4. Geek Aire GF6 Rechargeable Oscillating Mini Fan. This Geek Aire GF6 8-inch rechargeable desk fan is perfect for those hot summer days. With a 4000 mAh battery, you can use it for a long time even when you don't have access to a power outlet. Its white LED light makes it convenient to use in the dark. It also has an oscillating feature that helps distribute air around the room. This one of the best rechargeable desk fans is a great choice for anyone looking for an efficient and portable fan. Number 3. Fippy Rechargeable Battery Table Fan. The Fippy Mr. 2912 Rechargeable Battery Table Fan is a great addition to any home. It is equipped with 3-blade adjustable speed control, swing, and automatic shut-off for added convenience. The rechargeable battery of this one of the best rechargeable desk fans allows for up to 8 hours of use and is a great way to cool off during hot summer days. Its adjustable speed control and swing make it perfect for any room size and can be adjusted to the perfect level of comfort. Number 2. Slenpet USB Desk Fan. This Slenpet 6-inch rechargeable desk fan is perfect for cooling down your home office or desk space. It features 4 speeds, an ultra-quiet operation, and a 90 degrees adjustment for better cooling. This fan is also portable and powerful, making it great for cooling off any space. The metal base ensures stability and the black finish adds a stylish touch. This rechargeable table fan is an ideal choice for keeping your home or office cool and comfortable. Number 1. Kinbola Desk Fan. The Kinbola Rechargeable Desk Fan is the perfect addition to any office or home. This 11.8-inch bladeless fan is small enough to fit on any table, yet powerful enough to cool down your space. With a rechargeable battery, this one of the best rechargeable desk fans is portable and can be used anywhere. It has a touch control feature and 5 decorative LED light colors to choose from. Enjoy a cool, quiet breeze with the Conbola desk fan. We hope that we were able to provide you with valuable information on the best products available on the market to help keep you cool and comfortable during the hot summer months. Remember, a good rechargeable table fan can be a lifesaver during power outages or when you're on the go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you want to buy any product, the Amazon link is the description and comments. Check it out now. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.